Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn expansion of idea. It's the part of writing skill. See, for this exam, we are going to write the expansion of theme. Okay, means expansion appears to be the means that expansion it appears to be the opposite in nature to an exercise in phrases writing. Means everyone knows summary writing, but summary writing and expansion is the opposite idea. Okay, these are the opposite. Means phrases writing we are writing in very short, and expansion we are expand the idea. Okay, means in this expansion of idea one should require to omit unnecessary matter. To omit the means to keep out the unnecessary matter and put the important thoughts. Only you have to write the important thoughts related to the main idea. Related to the main idea, it should be reasonable. Okay, it should be reasonable or it should be convincing base of evidence. Okay, it should be based on convincing the base of evidence. Means it should be related only that main idea. Okay, it should be reasonable. In expansion, one is asked to supply other related to thoughts in a cogent manner. Okay, means it should be cogent means it should be means whatever you are going to write, whatever you are expand this thought, it should be reasonable manner. Okay, means it should be convince the evidence. Okay, and with a view in bringing out the full implication and significance of the idea. It should be significance of the idea. Means you have to give stress onto implied meaning of this thought. Okay, implied meaning of this thought or significance of the ideas, means importance of these ideas only. And means this expansion of idea may be there is a proverb or there is a maxim. Maxim means that it is bring something that moral. Okay, maxim means bring something that moral, and it is also added means it is someone saying sentence. Okay, old ones saying sentence, or it is also general thought also. The length of the expansion may be about 15 lines. Means 15 lines means 80 to 100 words. Okay, means it should be length of this your expansion of idea. It should be 15 lines. Means or 80 to 100 words. Okay, now you have to keep this, means while attempting the expansion of idea you should be follow this note. See, one by one I am telling. Think over and grasp the precise meaning of the statement. Means you have to think over. Means you have to think over about this idea and grasp the accurate meaning of the statement. Precise means accurate meaning of the statement. Okay, a mistake committed here render the performance a failure. If you have done the mistake that interested and that caused to become your performance become failure. Okay, your render means that performance that caused to become a failure. Okay, whatever your performance, whatever you are going to write, if you are not thinking or if you are not grasping this accurate meaning of this statement, then maybe your means these cause may be to your performance may be failure. Okay, and that's why avoid beginning the expansion with such a phrase as The meaning of the proverb is. The maxim teaches us. Means like this way sentence you have to avoid. The meaning of the proverb is. Okay, don't write this like this way sentence in the expansion of idea, or the maxim teaches us, or this thought tells us. Like this way you have to avoid these sentences. Then next is avoid using the pronoun I and you. You don't write the pronoun I and you. Avoid this pronoun while writing the expansion. Then explain by paraphrasing. Explain by paraphrasing means step by step you have to write the means explain this idea. Okay, explain this idea with meaning. Means bring out the meaning. Okay, bring out the meaning of this phrase. Then next is prove by reason or argument. Means give the reason how this means you have to prove this how this meaning is. Means bring out the moral or any meaning. Okay, that you have to convince by reason. Okay, to the means reader. Okay, you have to convince or to prove by the reason, to convince by the reason or argument to the reader. The expansion should be read as a complete piece of composition. Means while reading that reader, it should be look as complete piece of composition. Okay, like a composition means in short essay. If the passage for expansion is a metaphor, expand it into a simile and explain its full meaning in plain language and give reasons to support it. Means if that expansion of idea it is giving as a metaphor. Metaphor means that, for example, life is a gift. Okay, life is a gift. Word is means all the words stage. If like this way words means these are the metaphor. Means these lines are the metaphor. Means if this like this way, if this means metaphor is given there, then you should be expand into a simile this. Okay, how this life you have to compare. Okay, with means with the help of simile. Its full meaning in plain language. Means you have to write this meaning of this implied meaning in the plain language and give reasons to support it. And give reason also. You have to means you are arguing to the reader with the help of this expansion, your expansion, and that's why to support means by giving the reason you have to support your writing. If the sentence for expansion is a conclusion, the step by which the conclusion has been arrived at are to be traced. Means if the sentence for expansion is given as a conclusion, means sometimes this sentence is given as a conclusion. Okay, means last line meaning of that expansion of idea it's come in the last paragraph. Means and that's why you have to come to the conclusion. Okay, start from means how you are coming to the conclusion to expand this idea that you have to trace there. Deal with the counter proposition and its denial. Means you have to deal with the this means you have to proposition means you are going to offering the your idea. You are going to offer, you are going to write or you are offering the ideas. Okay, with the with truthfully. Okay, you are going to offering your idea truthfully. Means deal your idea or offer your idea truthfully. Then give, if possible, an illustration to bring out the force of statement to be expanded. Means give, if there is possible, then give the illustration to bring out the force of the statement. Okay, means illustration means you have to throw the light on to bring out the force of statement. Okay, means you have to give stress to bring out the force of statement. or clarify the to clarify, to bring out the force, clarify to bring out the force of the statement, to be expanded of the idea or expanded of the theme. Okay, like this way these some means here is given that you have to keep in mind, and like this way you have to write your expansion of idea. Okay, these things you have to keep in mind, and like this way you have to write your expand. Like this way our syllabus now finished, and you have to with the means you have to refer your for grammar you have to refer your textbook whatever given in the exercise of the lesson. Okay, or some language study part that you have to means refer from your textbook exercise. Okay, like this way our syllabus finished. You have to do study, and best of luck for exam. Thank you.